Dear students, in the previous class, we have seen current can be induced in a circular coil when the magnetic field is in motion. Am I right? Today also we are going to see another activity for the same process. Okay, here, look at the picture. Materials required. A turns of copper coil and it is connected to galvanometer on a cylindrical rod. Then again a large number of turns of the copper coil is connected to a battery and a meter. Second point, this is positive terminal and there is a key. When the key is plugged, the current will flow through this direction. It can be noted with the help of a meter. Now it is a current carrying conductor. You know very well, in this lesson we are discussing current carrying conductor behaves like a magnet. Now it is a magnet. For the first activity, we have used a magnet. Here a current carrying conductor is a magnet. We know very well, it is proved also. When the switch is, that means when the key is plugged, current flows through the circuit, and when we notice the galvanometer needle in the coil 2, for example this is a coil 1, there is a deflection in its needle. For example, if it moving towards the left side first. Now unplug the key, that means when switch off, it will come to 0. Then remove the, now change the direction of the current by reversing the battery, and here also the needle deflection will be to the opposite side for the first case. When there is no current flows through the circuit, here there is no movement in the needle. Okay, it is also an activity for proving current can be induced in a coil in the movement of the magnetic field. So what is an electromagnetic induction? It is a process in which current can be induced in a coil when in the motion of magnetic field. It is called electromagnetic induction. And here also the current induced will be highest when the motion of the magnetic field is perpendicular. When they are perpendicular to each other, the induced current will be highest. In the case of experiences force, when current and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, the movement of the conductor will be both. This is what we have studied in the case of force can be experienced in the current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Okay, here it can be explained with a simple rule, that is Fleming right hand rule. Same thing, stretch your right hand 3 fingers, thumb, forefinger and middle finger are perpendicular to each other. Thumb finger shows the direction of the motion and forefinger shows the direction of the magnetic field and middle finger shows the direction of the induced current. Same just as Fleming left hand rule. Okay, here 3 things are perpendicular to each other. We have known from the activity also that current induced will be highest depend upon the motion of the magnetic field when they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, this principle is used in electric generator. You could have seen in generator. For what purpose we are using it? During the absence of power, we are using electric generator, you know very well. So here, a magnetic field is in motion, so current can be induced. But for the electric generator what we are using at home, here they are using a powerful electromagnet. When they are in movement, current can be induced. Okay dear ones, hope you understood what is an electromagnetic induction, and it is proved with the help and activity, and also what is Fleming right hand rule.